everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Randa and today we're doing a kitting up / unboxing video because I don't think I ever did an unboxing of this diamond painting, but I finished my last diamond painting, which was Pride. I'm gonna do a post review of that very soon, but I wanted to kit this one up for you. I was gonna do the post review of Pride this week, but if you listen to my vlog at the end of the week, you'll hear that my throat's really hurting. I feel like I might be starting to get sick, which I'm like praying that I'm not. So I'm trying to keep the talking down to a minimum today. So, and this video requires less talking. So, this is, I don't know how best to show you. Maybe, yeah. This is what we're kitting up. This is Winter by Maria Abigail and Treasure Studios Art. This is my very first Treasure Studios Art kit that I will be doing. I've heard so many good things about them, but I've never actually tried them. I bought this kit forever and a day ago. I absolutely love Maria Abigail's art. And so if I like this, I will be ordering more. This is a 45 by 60, so coming off of Pride that was like 119 by 80 or 90 or something, this is much snackier. So I'm very excited to do a bit of a smaller kit. But I don't know, I feel like I don't ever remember doing an unboxing of this, and if I didn't, then I feel like I missed out because I should have, but we're gonna unbox it together right now, and then I'm gonna do kind of like a time-lapse video of me kitting it up. So for those of you, I mean, I guess I don't know if they've changed it or since I bought this, but this is the box that Treasure Studios Art comes in. Mine did come a little bit dinged, but the painting was fine, so it was not that big of a deal at all. And this is what we got. This is a square, right? Or is this a round? I literally don't remember. I think it's a square. It looks like a square. So, and I hope, yeah, there is. Okay. And yes, it is a square. I was right. So we've got the canvas, and then we've got the drills and legend. It looks very, it's like, you know, if you've ever ordered a kit from China before, this is usually what like the drills come looking like. But Treasure Studios Art is different because I know they used to do a different size round drill than everybody else, but they had to change that. And I know that they do a different kind of adhesive. They do a, what is it called? It's like some sort of mounting adhesive instead of a poured glue or a double-sided adhesive, which is why if you ever get one of these, you'll notice the plastic that's on top of it is a little bit different than what you get on normal kits. But this is what you get. You get all your information here on the side. It comes with a legend. And then let's see, I'm gonna move the drills over there. Let's see how much I can show. And all of these are legally licensed, so, which is nice. Oh, there she is. It's like still big enough that I can't fit in frame. I don't know a single diamond painting that I can fit in frame, but it's much snackier. Supporting artist, 100% money back guaranteed, #1 customer priority. And then they have all their information down here. I have rarely, if ever, heard a bad thing about Treasure Studios Art. There are some people that absolutely swear by them. And so I am very excited to try this out. It's been in my closet for like a year. Look at her beautiful face. You do have your key over here, which is kind of nice. And then you have a picture of the kit up in this corner. And then their branding and stuff at the top. So this is a square drill. This is not a round drill. Like I said, I know they used to have different size round drills and then they had to change it. But I have always been a fan of squares, and so I wanted to do a square drill kit. This is what the colors look like. Lots of blues. They all come in the Ziploc bags, and they're all labeled with what color they are, which is really nice. I actually brought like some baggies in my label maker, because if I have extra drills that won't fit in my containers, then that's what I put them in. As I use my label maker and some extra baggies and bag them up that way. but you don't have to with this because it's already, and a lot of people just work out of the plastic baggies. I am not that person, but these are what the colors look like, and they're very pretty. From just a very initial glance, the drills look really nice. Yeah, it's like I can see a few little imperfect darker ones, but nothing crazy. I'll know more once I get the kit started. Let me just open this real quick. Because what I want to look at, it looks like the darkest color was what I was just looking at, this one. 823 is the darkest color on this kit. And usually with drills, you look at the darkest color because those are the ones that are the most mass produced and therefore are more likely to have imperfections. These look really good. So, like I said, a few little minor imperfections here and there, but I don't see anything to get my panties in a wad about. They look really nice. And then this is the Legend, or the Walking Legend, or whatever you want to call it. The way that I kit these up is that I cut out usually the symbol and the DMC color, but they're really far apart, so I'll probably just do the symbol because that's not going to fit on my little container. It's way too far apart. And then I run it through my Xyron sticker maker, and then I put it on my jars. And let me show you what I kit up in really quick. So this is the case that I kit up in. It has a bunch of supplies in it up here, and then this is what the drill storage looks like. So it's these little jars. So I'll cut this out and run it through my Xyron sticker maker and then stick it to there, and I usually put a little piece of washi tape underneath it so that it's easier to take off when I'm done. I need to change out my pen and stuff because all my pens that are up in here are from my old kit, so I need to change that out. But this is what I will kit up in. Yay. So you'll see that in just a second, but this kit looks amazing. I'm really excited to work on it. And I kind of think that's all that I need to talk about. This is my next kit that I'm starting. Move this to the side. I'm very, very excited to work on it. I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful when it's done. I'm excited for a bit of a snackier sized piece. And I want to see if I like it so that if I want to get more Treasure Studios arts, I can. And this is my very first one. It's very exciting. I'm trying a new company. So I think now is where we head to the time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll show you everything when it's done. Okay, we are all kitted up. So this is all of them in their little jars, and I have a lot of ones that didn't fit. So this will go in it, and it sucks because some of them are like this, like so barely didn't fit, which is so frustrating. But these will go in a little Ziploc bag, and I'll pull them out as they start to diminish. But I'm very excited to work on this. It's gonna be a really good time. I'm really tired though, so I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just a little sneak peek into what I'm working on next. And maybe you got a little bit of crafting done while you were watching this. I love you all. I hope you have a great day. Bye.